And this is Thursday the 3rd of March, and this is the 4th little Vizsla puppy being born by Ruby. Here are the first 3, so we'll just let her work on it. This one's a breech, so I'm just going to help here a little bit. Come on, sweetie. There we go. There we go. Just important to keep the puppy right way up. Just try and clean the airway as soon as possible. Mum will stimulate the puppy. Just got to get out the placenta, and I'm going to just have a little helping hand with that. Ruby, leave. There we go. And then we're going to allow her to have the 4th one. Very enriched with nutrients. Good girl. I'll just keep working on the puppy a moment. She completely trusts me, obviously. The other puppies are just chilling. And that was the witness of a birth for you all. And that is umbilical cord done. Not the nicest thing to see for all of you, but this is nature and a good experience for all to see. That's it. So I'm going to crack on, do a little bit of tidying up now, and hopefully speak to you all soon.